Hello guys, today I will show you how to create this transition.
I can't help this shit. I'ma have love for bro for life. We talking now. I step in it. Of course you could.
Find the cut where you want the transition to be. Go to project, click on new item and create adjustment layer. Click OK, drag it over the video. Make the layer 6 frames long, 3 frames to each side. Use your arrow keys, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Open effects, search directional blur. This one, drag it, go to effect controls, change the angle to 70. Now change amount to 28 and make a keyframe. On both ends, set it to 0. If you look closely, you can see that there are black edges, like these. To make it disappear, we need to search for effect called alpha adjust. So search alpha adjust, drag it to your adjustment layer, go to effect controls and check ignore alpha. Now it disappeared. Next is brightness. Set both to 43. Make a keyframes and both ends set to 0 again. So now it creates little flash.
Help this shit. I'ma have love for bro for life.
Spending hours manually keyframing simple transitions is a huge time killer. That's exactly why I developed Velocity FX V5. I packed over 60 of my best high energy transitions into one simple preset pack, so you can speed up your workflow and focus on creating. Use code Parrington for 20% off. Last effect that we can apply is lens distortion. So search lens distortion. Type in -50, make a keyframe, go to start and set it to 0, and the same for the end.
This shit. I'ma have love for bro for life. This shit. I'ma have love for bro for life.
Now you can press M to make a marker in the middle. To copy the transition, hold Alt and drag it to next cut.